What haven't I got?
What do you mean?
Fresh shipment of JPRC.
Oh!
And these are just a couple of tidbits. So JPRC, they do all our connectors and stuff like that.
Yes.
Plugs, connectors, wiring harnesses. Now we've got some charge cables. And I love that they come in different colors. Because there's nothing worse than you go, oh, it's all cool. I'll have all black cables and make everything all nice and cool. And then you don't know which charge is finished. You can't like physically, you got to like run the cable. So if you had different colors, you know
which one's which.
You know which one's which.
Which one's plugged into where when you got multi-channel.
Which one's plugged into where. Absolutely. So charge cables, very simple, very effective. I love them. So
we got white and green.
Yep, and black.
And black.
So we've got 4mm Corally banana plugs at one end.
Yes.
That goes into your charger.
Yes.
And then at the other end, we've got a stepped 4 and 5mm.
Yep, so you can suit
really
any type of battery pack.
all sort of competition battery packs in 10 scale will utilize those sort of plugs. And then we've got the 3-pin balance port. Yep. And if you've got the, what do they call that one? The XJH kind of plug on your charger, you can take the pins out and put it in that for your charger. And then you've got the little balance port here. Yep. 1.5mm balance port here.
Go in the center of
go in the center of your 2-cell battery.
That's it.
So these are a staple product for any 1/10 scale racer or that has competition style batteries. I love it. We sell heaps of them for very good reason.
That's right.
We also had a ORCA shipment. So I haven't bought it in the range. We've actually seen them before. So here we have the OE1 Mark II speed controller. And I'm really excited because I'm about to undertake a new build and get one of these in a buggy.
Mark II, when was the Mark II released?
That was released about 3 months ago.
Right.
Yeah, so this brand new speed controller, brand new alloy case. Yeah, really, really good, really, really neat. I'll do an in-depth fit up on like a SO 2.0 buggy coming up very soon.
Nice.
We haven't had that in a Hearns race car yet.
And this one's super popular.
The Totem. Why wouldn't you? For the price point, was it $140 or something? They fly out the door. So stock spec speed controller. So it doesn't have turbo or boost functions, but does have the Bluetooth connectivity. I should have bought the BlueCon as well.
Yep.
The Bluetooth connectivity, same as this one, but up to 100 amps. And that's most people race stock.
It's really low profile too.
Yeah, really small. It's like a postage stamp. Really low profile, really small. No external capacitors. Same with this one. So you can do away with those big bulky capacitor packs, which are crap to install on the new vehicles. Yeah, so really, really good reverse polarity protection and all the functions and programming features of the expensive, or as the top shelf Mark II, OE1 Mark II, is in this. So the pulse width, the punch, throttle curves, brakes, everything like that is all available in the ORCA. So ORCA Restock is really, really good.
Yes.
While I'm talking about restocks.
Oh, more stuff.
Look.
You got so much stuff.
So much stuff. This is blue.
LRP.
German's finest electronics manufacturer. And here, I won't unbox everything, but here we've got 13.5s in the X22 range. 21 5s. I've got 17 5s too. So we've got the full range of stock spec motors in LRP. We've got the FlowX speed controllers, stock spec. And if you want to program and change it from stock spec to TC open modified, or do more in-depth programming than just the blinking lights, here's the USB bridge that you can plug it into your laptop. Laptop straight into the ESC, off you go. Full tuning capability.
This stuff's proving to be really, really fast at the moment, isn't it?
Super fast. So the Yakima Australia team, Simon Nicholson, John Puce, and Stephen Cornell all choosing to run LRP. And yeah, let's hope the results come their way. They've got a big race this weekend.
Winter champs.
Yeah, and if you've seen this stuff go in the stock classes, you know it's an absolute weapon. So really, really cool. That's all from me today.
That's all from you.
Yep, I feel like I've done plenty.